Alright, this next view is about a feisty cat. This is one of our nieces and nephews' favorite toy when they come over to the house. It is like a tiger cat, and it has facial features, which is pretty funny. The eyebrows move, eyes move a little bit, and it's basically just a stuffed animal, except for one thing. When you squeeze the head, it makes this face. This is basically why they like it, because it becomes evil. Oh, or an angry cat. But fear not, it won't bite you and hurt. Yeah, it's just a stuffed animal pet that has a face mechanism. So you can get it to, like, talk. So, everyone, assemble! This is why they like it. Maybe you'll want one. I'm sure they have other animals in this line.